Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video today, I'm going to discuss with you about one of the most powerful subconscious beliefs that holds so many people back. I have been lucky enough to work with, many thousands of people on a one-on-one basis and many thousands of people in classroom environments. And one of the most common beliefs that I've seen that holds people back is, if I have everything, then I risk losing everything. And that is a really profound belief, because the fear of actually having everything that they desire and losing that is actually greater than the fear or what they're experiencing at the moment with lack. So the idea of not having something is actually, from a subconscious perspective, better than having something or having everything and risking losing it. So let me give you an example of how that works. So I was, brought up in a wonderful environment, great parents, great siblings. Financially, we were okay. We weren't wealthy or anything like that, but my parents worked really hard and everything was really good. We had, everything we wanted basically. And it was a really wonderful environment. And then, even from a personal perspective, school-wise, I was a straight-A student, and all of a sudden, at the age of 16, my father passed away very suddenly. He died of a heart attack, and it was an absolute shock to the system because, we had no idea there was anything wrong with him. He actually went and had heart tests, and they gave him the all clear. They told him everything was okay. Thank God they've got better ways of testing hearts these days. But all of a sudden, my whole life was turned upside down. And let me tell you, it was the most painful experience that I've ever had in my life, right? Losing my father, because up until that point, we hadn't experienced any loss. We hadn't had death around us or, been open to those sorts of experiences. And so it was a huge shock to the system, and it was extremely painful. And so what happened for me on a subconscious level is the idea of having everything and then losing it was just so immense that, I actually stopped myself from creating a lot of success in my life. And that's what happens for a lot of people. So even, I moved on, I got married, I have wonderful children, but for a long time, I actually stopped myself from truly allowing myself to love everybody, because the idea of losing something that you love is so painful that we don't allow ourselves to truly enjoy it, to truly experience it. And so we actually hold ourselves back from having many, many wonderful experiences because of that fear. But if you have those sorts of fears, then what you're going to do is you're going to stop yourself from achieving the abundance that you desire. You're going to stop yourself from having the wonderful relationships that you deserve. You'll hold you back in all areas of your life, because the idea of having everything that you want or desire and then losing it is too painful. So we really hold ourselves back from that. So that's one of the really important belief systems that I would like you all to work on. And it's really important because as long as you're holding on to that belief, you're going to stop yourself from truly experiencing life. And I know myself, there was a lot of joyful experiences that took place in my life. And what would happen was I would allow myself to be present, but not really. Physically, I was there. I may have enjoyed it at the time, but I never allowed myself to be fully immersed in that wonderful experience that I was having, because there was always that underlying fear that I could lose it at any moment. And that's what holds us back in so many ways and in so many different areas of our lives. So it's a really important belief system for us all to look at, to identify whether we have it, and to work on those issues and change those beliefs. Because as long as you're holding on to that, you're never going to be satisfied with life. You're never going to truly allow yourself to fulfill your potential and achieve everything that you desire. So it's a really important one to let go of. So what I'm going to do is another video where I'll actually give you some downloads in relation to releasing it. So allowing you to release it a lot quicker and allowing you to let go of that belief so that you can truly enjoy the life that you desire, that you can truly allow yourself to experience the life of your dreams. And you know, most importantly, that you can allow yourself to be present in every moment and truly experience the gift that life is. It is a wonderful gift, and when you have loving people around you, when you achieve the things that you desire, when you allow yourself to experience the good things that you would like to have, you're going to find that life is so much more fulfilling. But most importantly, you're not going to be in the background trying to lose it, because it's what happens with the subconscious. If it's got that belief, then it's going to try and push it away. It's not going to allow you to get there. So it's really important to release those beliefs, and really important to allow yourself to know that you can have everything that you desire and be safe and secure. But here's a really important thing to understand is don't allow yourself to get into the mindset of owning everything. Don't worry about owning everything. Allow yourself to be the custodian, the temporary custodian of whatever it is that you have in your life. Because when you're detached from what you have in your life, you'll allow more abundance in. You'll allow yourself to experience greater things. But as long as you're thinking, this is mine and I have to hold on to it, I own this, then all of a sudden there's a stress around it. And when you try to hold on to something, then what happens is you lose it, because the only reason why you're holding on to it is because you're afraid of losing it. So when you allow yourself to have that free mind, knowing that all the abundance in the world is yours for the taking, that you are worthy and deserving of having it, then what you're going to find is you'll be the temporary custodian of everything that you have, and you'll allow yourself to create and bring in more abundance. So it's a really important mindset to have. So letting go of that attachment is really important. So if you like this video, like it. And when you like our videos, when you like our YouTube channel, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll actually get notified of upcoming videos that we're posting, and you'll be able to, receive notification of those. And, share it with friends, share it with family, people that you think can actually get a benefit from this video. So thank you for your time, and be sure to watch the next video, which will be about downloads.